I'm joined by spokesman of BJP, Mr. R.S. Pathania, also a former legislator from Jammu and Kashmir. So what did you discuss with the Election Commission? What was your feedback to the Election Commission?
Yes, first of all, a very good afternoon to each and everybody on board. Today was a feedback session of Election Commission of India with all the registered national as well as the state recognized political parties. So Bharatiya Janata Party's delegation was also part of that feedback session also. Bharatiya Janata Party was very clear and very categoric that Bharatiya Janata Party wants elections in Jammu and Kashmir at the earliest possible note, and much so, and nonetheless not outside the last Lakshman Rekha or the last limit which has been set by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, that is 30th of September.
So you want elections before 30th September?
I'll improve your statement. Elections to be concluded before 30th of September 2024. Conclusion of the election process before 30th of September 2024. Anyhow, Jammu and
So
Kashmir
you are
is
saying Election Commission should
exactly
abide by the deadline set by the Supreme Court?
Absolutely.
That is the BJP's official stand.
Absolutely, that is the official stand, and this is what we have put out in black and white before the Election Commission of India also. Bharatiya Janata Party wants that the commitment which the Sarkar has given to the Honorable Supreme Court while hearing that Article 370 case.
And the commitment is also restoration of the state, which also promised by the Prime
You
Minister.
see, Jammu and Kashmir is a state. Jammu and Kashmir shall remain a state. For a brief intervening period, this arrangement has been made. I am hopeful. Very soon, Jammu and Kashmir will be a full-fledged state, at par with all the states, and special with regard to the affection of Bharat Sarkar, with regard to the funding of Bharat Sarkar, with regard to the policies and program of Bharat Sarkar, and with regard to the Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas, the brand of the bandwagon and the virtual slogan of Bharat Sarkar.